Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Auralia. I am so excited to have you here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am actually going to do a new subscription service called Causebox, and it is going to be an unboxing. If you are new to my channel and you are not familiar with my content, I post all about fashion and style for the woman over the age of 50. I am a firm believer that life is way too short to live without style. I post videos 1 to 2 times a week, so if you enjoy my content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell before you go. First thing, it has been a hot minute since I've been able to post consistently on my channel, and it's because I have been a little bit sick. I am super glad to be back though, and I am coming back to you with this Causebox unboxing. So what is Causebox? Causebox is actually very similar to something like FabFitFun, except Causebox is working with companies that are run by women and helping to build these companies. Also, they are always sustainable, and that's what I really like. I am taking a turn on my channel. I do not want to be an advocate for things like fast fashion and constant buying of things, because the fashion industry is the top industry that is contributing to pollution on this planet, and I do not want to contribute to that, or at the very least I want to minimize my carbon footprint and go with services that are in line with my ideals. Again, it is run by women and it is meant to help empower women and the businesses that they create. All right, let me go ahead and show you this month's box. This is the spring box, I believe. You can either pay the annual upfront of $49.99, or you can pay quarterly, which is $54.99. So it just depends on how you want to pay out the box. It's got lifestyle and fashion and beauty and wellness products in here, so it covers a wide gamut. Again, very similar to FabFitFun. I have not opened this box at all. I know what's coming because I saw the previews, but I haven't looked at my own box. The artwork on the boxes is created by female artists, so any of the artwork that we get in the box, whether that be the card that's inside or the outer packaging, is created or curated by commissioned female artisans. The inside of the box is beautiful. I love all of the floral print that it has. It says Causebox there, and then you get the little magazine that comes with this quarters box, and then it has a really beautiful sticker of a woman on here, so that is really cool. This little magazine, it talks about the products that are in here, gives a little bit of background of what might be in here. The first thing that came in this box was actually the one product that caught my attention when I saw it on my Facebook feed, and it is this beautiful, stunning vegan leather folio. I love it because I love the pink. I have to admit, I love this pink. It has a beautiful rose gold button closure. It opens up and it becomes a carry-all for your laptop. If you have a slim laptop, for your tablet, your phone, you can put some pens in here. You've got multiple pockets for various gadgets and things, and then you've got some pockets here for cards. You've got pen loops, and just ample space for all kinds of things that you might want to carry. I really like this, and I was really hoping that I would get the pink one. I did. I'm so happy. This is an excellent product. I'm so excited to have it. I think that I am going to enjoy this quite a bit. The folio is by Glass Ladder & Co. It's called the Megan Portfolio Clutch. All right, moving along. Okay, so we got this little postcard in here with the same type of drawings that you had on the outside of the box. Then they have given us a small, dainty, beautiful little bracelet. It's got a beautiful little key on it, and it is by the creator Marina Del Bucci. It's a bracelet. Our mission is to fight human trafficking. By choosing the bracelet, you are contributing to set victims free. Very, very cool. I prefer some dainty bracelets that I can layer, and this is definitely a layering piece. So I am very, very excited to have this product. Okay, the next item is it's a cognac facial cleansing sponge. So it's one of those sponges that has soap in it. It's by Wild. It is infused with French pink clay for normal to dry and sensitive skin types. So it is 100% natural. I like getting these because these are actually perfect for me for traveling, because you know, you take them, you use them, you dispose of them, and you don't have to worry about transporting them back necessarily. So this is a lovely little sponge. It has kind of almost like an herbal type smell. The next item is a face product, or maybe a body product. Oh, it's a face product. It is from Causebox, and that's MEDIX, and it is called Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. This brightening mask helps remove dead surface cells for optimal absorption of brightening ingredients that help reduce the appearance of discoloration, uneven skin tone, and roughness for visibly smoother, brighter, and luminous looking skin. It is a full-size product. Cannot wait to give that a try. This is a clean product. It is cruelty-free and has a 12-month shelf life. So very awesome. I very much intend on using this particular mask because I really, really need one. I got a scarf in the box, and in one of my most favorite colors for the season, mustard. It is stunning. I love scarves. These, you can put them in your hair, you can wear them with your jackets, you can wear them as an accessory, you can put them on your purse. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is by Cleo Bella, and it is a silky scarf. So they're calling it vegan silk, but it's AKA polyester. But still, it is a beautiful, beautiful scarf. I love the sheen that it has. This is going to look beautiful with some of the new mustard toned shirts and things that I have in my wardrobe. So I am super, super excited to have this, and I will wear it for many seasons because in my opinion, this shade, or yellow in general, is a seasonless color. You can wear it any time of the year, and especially when you get into the deeper mustardy kind of yellows. I am very, very excited to have this. The next product that I have is actually a houseware item. It is by All True, and it is a macrame plant hanger, which, you know, is not a bad thing. I think that this will actually look quite beautiful in my bathroom because I do have kind of like a beachy theme happening there, and that's what macrame reminds me of. I think that this will look beautiful hanging from the ceiling with a beautiful plant. So I am very, very happy to have this. This is unusual for me. I'm so used to like things like BoxyCharm where I get makeup. It's weird to get housewares, but this is actually quite beautiful. You could even use this outside on a deck or a patio if you chose to use it. And then the next product in the box is this Mist Congeniality. It is a rose water hydra mist. It's got rose, aloe, chamomile, and witch hazel. It is 100% naturally derived and 79% organic. It is cruelty free. It is vegan, and I always enjoy having facial mists. I'm never going to say no to a facial mist because I just love the way it feels on the skin when they, you know, as the mist falls. Let's take a look and see what the mist is actually like. Pretty steady mist, a pretty fine mist, and smells of roses. Okay, yeah, super excited about this. This is nice. The last thing in today's Causebox is a bamboo lyocell eye mask by Ettitude. And I actually really, really like eye masks. I like having them. I cannot sleep if there is any light in my room. It has to be like pitch dark. Just a plain white bamboo eye mask for sleeping. So good deal there. I have to say that I enjoyed everything that I received. I'm very, very excited for all of the products that I have. I cannot wait to give them a try. And yeah, so let me know if you have ever heard of Causebox, if you've ever ordered Causebox, or if you would be interested in it. I, again, am not being sponsored. This is just something that I came across in my Facebook feed, and I was looking for a brand new subscription service service to bring here to my channel. So it seemed like one that, again, lined up with my current ideals. So yes, so excited to bring this to you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Again, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and the notification bell. That is all that I have for you today. Remember to always live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye.